The mechanism of hormone action. You see, there are receptors, there are proteinaceous in nature. Now there are two types of mechanism. First one is the membrane bound receptors, the second is the genome bind receptors. So membrane bound receptors, example, they are proteins. Firstly, peptides, polypeptides, protein hormones, and the amino acid derivatives, that is epinephrine. It is derivative of like tyrosine or something. It is an amino acid. So remember these two things. Now in the membrane bound receptors there is like secondary messengers. They are cyclic AMP and calcium. Okay, now FSH and LH. So this is an example. Okay, now the second thing is a hormone receptor complex with the genome. So it is a second mechanism. Example is steroid that directly goes in through the cell membrane, because it is also lipid. So cell membrane is also lipid. So that's it. Now you see example are steroid. These are cortisol, testosterone, estradiol and progesterone. And second is iodothyronines, that is thyroid hormones, thyroxine, tetraiodothyronine and triiodothyronine. That's it. And each receptor is specific in nature. Without it, like no response. That's it. Now hormones of heart, kidney and gastrointestinal tract. Now there are some cells that can also act as endocrine. They can also secrete the hormones. Okay, now ANF secreted by atria of the heart. Now it is vasodilator that decreases the blood pressure. Now the juxtaglomerular cells of the kidney, they produce peptide hormone, that is erythropoietin, that stimulate erythropoiesis, that is formation of RBC. Now gastrointestinal tract, they have some cells that also secrete four major peptide hormones. Gastrin secretin, CCK. It's not Chennai Super King, it's cholecystokinin and gastric inhibitory peptide, right? Gastrin. Now they stimulate secretion of HCl and pepsinogen. Secretin acts on exocrine pancreas and stimulates secretion of water and bicarbonate. And CCK acts on both pancreas and gallbladder and stimulates secretion of pancreatic enzymes and bile juice. And IGP, like gastric inhibitory peptide, inhibits gastric secretion and motility. Now several other non-endocrine tissues also secrete hormones. These are growth factors for normal growth and they are repairing. That's it. So this is hormones of heart, kidneys and gastrointestinal tract, right?